Welcome to our third installment of Fun Household Tricks. In this series, we show you quick tricks for making home maintenance and organization easy. Have you ever dropped something small and have a hard time finding it in the carpet? Grab some old hosiery and a rubber band or hairband. Attach the hosiery to the end of a vacuum tube and slowly go over the area where you dropped it. The hosiery will act as a filter so you can easily find your lost item. Cleaning your windows can use a lot of paper towel. Next time, use crumpled newspapers. Also, when cleaning, use the vertical-horizontal method. Clean the windows using a horizontal motion on the outside and a vertical motion on the inside. If there are any streaks, you'll know where they're coming from. Have you ever tried to install something that has very specific mounting holes? Photocopy the back of the item and then use that as a template for perfectly placing your screws. When you have a shirt that just won't stay on the hangers, take pipe cleaners and wrap the ends of the hangers. This is an inexpensive way to keep your closet organized. To view more home maintenance videos, visit our website at homespectors.com.